If you don't like the default window title bar provided by the operating system and want to make your own title bar, then this video is for you. I came up with the simplest way you can add custom title bar functions such as navigation buttons. You can add the window size grip, minimize, restore, and close buttons. You can also add a drag event listener to the title bar. The good news is that we are going to achieve this by calling just one function that will do all this work for us. I have already designed a simple window in Qt Designer with a custom title bar. This title bar has the minimize, restore, and close buttons, which are inside the header frame. I also added the size grip frame at the bottom left corner, which we will use to adjust the window size. Now let us generate this UI Python code. Now inside my project folder, I have imported PySide2 and the user interface file which we generated from Qt Designer. I also imported the custom widgets module. I made this custom module to make it easier for developers to make beautiful interfaces without spending too much time writing the code. To install this module, just head over to PyPy, you'll find the link in the description below, then run the following code inside your command line. Use pip upgrade to ensure that you have the latest version of this module. I have also written full documentation for this module which you can find on this page or on my GitHub page, which I'll also link below. After installing the custom widget module, import it to your main Python file, create your main window, then run your app. As you can see, our app still has the default title bar. Now let us remove the title bar. Inside our project folder, I created a JSon file, which will contain the custom window values. Inside this JSon file, create the QMainWindow object. Inside this QMainWindow object, pass your preferred window title and your window icon, which you can copy from the resource file. To remove the default title bar, set the frameless key to true. Also, if you want your main window background to be transparent, set the translucent value to true. This key holds the name of the size grip frame. You can also apply the background shadow under the shadow object, which contains the list of keys that will customize the shadow and the widget name where the shadow will be applied. The last part is the navigation object that contains a list of buttons that will be used to close, minimize, restore, and maximize the app window. All these values are optional, so if you don't want your window to be minimizable, don't pass the minimize button, and so on. Under navigation, the restore object contains the name of the button and the two icons that will be interchanged when the window is maximized or restored. The last key in our object is the move window key that holds the name of the widget that will be used to drag the main window. It is always a good practice to use the header frame to drag your app window. Now the last part is to call a function that will read our JSON file and apply the style to the main window. This function takes the main window object and a user interface class object as arguments. As you can see, everything works perfectly. In case you want to read more about this custom widgets module, I will leave all the links below. I will also leave the source code link. If you encounter any errors while using this module, please let me know in the comments section below. This is a fairly new module that I intend to add more features very soon, so subscribe to get notified on new updates. Remember, you can support this work by becoming my Patreon or simply liking and sharing this video. This module also offers a simple way to style and animate your QPush buttons and QStacked widgets. It also offers a way to add a custom progress bar to the UI. I had made tutorials about these subjects. You can check that out by clicking on the link above. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.